Good morning to all. I am Muthuchelvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. SNS, Rajashmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to discuss about the topic of types of financial markets. Financial markets can be broadly categorized into several types based on the assets being traded, the maturity of the investments, and the nature of the participants. These are the major basic types of markets in the financial markets. In that first one, stock market, that is equity market. It involves the buying and selling of ownership shares in public limited companies. Public listed companies shares should be purchased by the purchaser in the stock exchange market. Next one is, for example, it includes the New York Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange is the main examples of the equity market. Second type of market is hmm, bond market, that is debt market. The debts with the buying and selling of debt securities such as government bonds, corporate bonds, and the municipal bonds. The participants are involved in the bond market is lend money to the issuers in exchange of the periodic interest payment and the return of the principal at maturity. These are the participants involved in the uh, bond market. Third type of market is money market. Money market means it deals with the short term loans, borrowing, lending, and issuing the periods less than 1 year. It is, for example, of short term market is treasury bills, commercial papers, certificate of deposits, and the speculation repurchase of the agreements. These are the examples of money market. Fourth type of financial market is foreign exchange market. It involves the trading of currencies. The participants in the foreign exchange market includes bankers, central bank, corporations, governments, and the individual traders. These are the main participants involved in the foreign exchange markets. Fifth type of market is commodity market. Commodity market including the buying and selling of financial goods such as gold, silver, oil, agriculture products, and other raw materials. These are the main things buying and selling in the commercial commodity market. The main participants are the producers, the consumers, the speculators, and the lenders. Next, derivative market. It involves the financial contracts whose value is derived from an underlying asset, that is stock, bonds, and commodities. It includes future contracts, opinions, swaps, and forward contracts. Next one is digital market, or that is it deals with the digital or virtual currencies like bitcoins, uh, then Ethiopian, and uh, other coins. These are the things involved in the uh, digital markets. And the next one, real estate market. It involves the buying and selling of leasing of real properties such as land, residential, and commercial buildings. Real estate investment trust or the common financial instrument in this market. Next type of market is banking and credit markets. In that market, traditional banking activities including loans, deposit, and other financial services. These are the activities done in the banking and credit markets. The participants are commercial banks, central bank, and other financial institutions. Next market is insurance market. It including the buying and selling of insurance policies to protect against the various risks. It includes a life insurance, health insurance, property insurance, and more than the other insurance. Next, capital and private equity market. Involves the investment in private companies in exchange for equity ownership. These are the main types of financial markets involved in the financial markets. Thank you.